can't, boy. Say you need a little space, yeah, boy. Is it cause you can't be faithful, boy? Hope she's cool, unlike you. You ain't ready for a girlfriend, no. Cause you think I'll steal your weekends, no. So you make up shitty reasons for want it out. See, I'm not even mad, boy, but I'm confused. Shouldn't you be keeping me at 10 when you're 2? I can't help.
Hello everyone, welcome back. Today's video was supposed to be posted last weekend on Saturday, but there was so much footage, about 7 to 8 hours, and it took me super long to edit, so I am sorry for the inconvenience of not having 2 videos last week, but hopefully we'll be having 3 videos this week. If you love videos like this, don't forget to give me a like, subscribe if you haven't already, because it is absolutely free to do so. But this is going to be a weekend cleaning marathon. I was snowed in these clips. We had a big snowstorm here in New England, so I just wanted to make sure I prepped for that. I did all the cleaning, and I also did grocery shopping, and we also relaxed after all of this, because when I'm stuck in the house, I just like to make sure everything is nice and clean so I can be peaceful and everybody else in the house can feel calm, cool, collected, and relaxed during this time. But let's just get right into this video.
How it goes, and I save the details that actually mean something. Sun is shining, but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember all things must pass. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. I'm not gonna wake up. I really wanted to get it right, trying to find some balance in my life. I never really put up a fight, and now I'm losing sleep. What if I lost touch? What if I'll never get it right? I try to follow my heart, but I lost it somehow. Wish that someone could say it'll all be okay. Just listen to me as I say. Listen to me as I slow it down. Dreams still yours if you want it. Enjoy the ride, cause those ups and those downs is what makes it worth it. Slow it down. Dreams still yours if you want it. Enjoy the ride, cause those ups and those downs is what makes it worth it. I never left a stone unturned, trying to find some love in this crazy world. I felt like I was never hurt. All I wanted was to be loved. All I wanted was to be loved.
So right over here we got 2 linguinis, we got 3 spaghettis. We also got a bag of white jasmine rice. Right behind the greens, we got a 8-pack of the Frost Gatorades. We did already dig into these. Right behind that, I did do laundry, which you'll be seeing later on in the video. I had to buy some laundry detergent, so I grabbed this big Tide. I grabbed some toilet tissue. For the laundry, I also grabbed Clorox and some softener. I also needed some conditioner, so I seen this Pantene Curl Perfection. Let me know, curly girls out there, is this a good conditioner? Right next to that, I did grab the 18-pack of variety mixed chips. Like I said, we did grab stuff because it is a snow day and we just like to chill and watch movies. That's what we're gonna do later on after I'm done cleaning. We're gonna go out and shovel, and then hopefully tomorrow we're gonna go sledding. I did grab Dre these little powdered donuts. I think they come in a 3-pack, and I love this because it's portion control, and I think he only eats 3 at a time anyways. And then I grabbed him these Cheez-Its. I love these too. I saw these organic chocolate chip granola chews. I thought that was like a good healthy alternative snack. I grabbed him these frosted strawberry Pop-Tarts, and I grabbed them because it's like a quick breakfast if he's running late for school. And then I also grabbed these dried Filipino mangoes because I just wanted a healthier snack. Like I said, if I grab something not so healthy, I'll grab something that's healthy right after. And then I saw this caramel filled milk chocolate, and I was like, that's for me. And my family really loves macaroons. They did switch the brand at Aldi's. The last ones weren't good, so I want to see what these ones taste like. The last one tasted like cardboard box, but they weren't the chocolate ones, so we'll see if there's a difference. I got him these mini chocolate chip muffins, also for breakfast or for a snack. I grabbed them mainly for breakfast because he doesn't really snack as much. And I also grabbed him this lemon sliced loaf for breakfast or for a snack, whatever he pleases. And right up front, I did buy some meat in bulk. We're just gonna freeze this up just so we can have some stuff because of what's been happening around the world lately. So I just wanted to have something because if the power does go out, we can keep them outside because we're in winter at the moment in New England. So I did grab us some organic chicken breast. I grabbed us some organic uncured beef hot dogs. I seen these cheddar brats and I thought, let's give it a go. So we grabbed those. I also grabbed a big thing of salmon. And Andreas really wanted this the last time we was at Aldi's. So we saw it yesterday and he saw it again and he was like, we have to get this, we have to get this. So I just got this whole organic chicken. Then right over here, I normally get the Simple Nature's uncured bacon, but they didn't have it. They have this $9 Applewood smoked bacon, and it's these thick slices. They were $9 each. $18 for this is ridiculous. So, and then over here, I found this great value chicken thighs, boneless chicken thighs, and I am gonna stew these up for my cat. She's been really hungry lately. She is pregnant, so she's been wanting to eat everything, all of our food. So I want her to have whatever she wants. So that's why I'm gonna make her some chicken. I'm gonna put a little seasonings here and there for her, and then shred it up for her. I know she's gonna be super happy about that. And then George always asks for chicken wings, and I saw these ones at Aldi's, and it was such a great price. I think they're about 12 bucks for this big bag. So I just grabbed it, and I think we'll be making that soon. It gets super overwhelming when I go food shopping because it's just so much stuff. But anyway, sorry for slurring my words. Right up front, I got him some chimichangas. I got him a chicken and a beef one. These are for Andres, like a quick lunch. And then for a snack or even for breakfast, he likes these Danimo strawberry yogurt, so I got him that. I also grabbed this Castlewoods Virginia brand smoked uncured ham. And I also got a smoked honey turkey breast as well. These look super good. They were $5 each, so I thought that was a great idea. And then right next to that, I got some croissant rolls for breakfast. Or if we have like a pasta night, we can make those if we haven't used it for breakfast yet. And I love grabbing these. I should have grabbed 2 because I cut the crescent rolls in half, so it makes 16 mini crescent rolls. And I cut up some smoked ham or some smoked turkey, like a small slice, and then I add a small slice of cheese and wrap it up, and it makes mini ham and cheese croissants like the ones from Starbucks, but like your own homemade one, and super cheap because these were under $2, these were under $3, and these were $5, so you're making a lot. Anywho, I did grab some organic deli sliced Kobe Jack cheese, and I also grabbed that same brand, and I grabbed white mild cheddar cheese. Right next to that, I did grab 3 marinaras for all the pasta that I bought. So I did grab some organic marinara, and I also grabbed some organic tomato basil. I know I haven't been telling the prices, but Aldi has such great prices. I'll continue telling you the rest if I remember. The beans are always under $1. I got organic black beans, kidney beans, pencil beans, and I also like to grab the extra virgin olive oil there. They also have an organic one, but today I just grabbed the regular one. And then right over here, I did grab hot dog buns because we have the cheddar wurst and hot dogs. I should have grabbed 2 of those, but I also grabbed some hamburger bones and some Italian bread. It looks great. Right behind the buns, I did pick up some red and green apples. At first sight, they were looking fine, but now they're looking a little dusty, so I might be making a juice out of those. I did grab some sweet plantains. Can't wait to make those. The last few things I grabbed was this cheese burgers, and I grabbed the buns for that. Andreas really loved the cheese French bread pizza the last time we bought it. They didn't have the cheese one, but they had the supreme one, so I told him he could try that one out. See how he likes it. They have the cheapest mozzarella sticks. I don't know if they're good because I haven't tried it, but they were under $3, and it also comes with the sauce package, so I couldn't say no to that. And they had the drumsticks. I haven't had these in ages. They had the variety pack, and they also had the original one. The variety pack had a chocolate one, a vanilla with caramel filling, and then the original one. But I saw this one, and I know I love the original one, so I just stuck to my guns. So that is it for my massive grocery haul. Not super healthy, but we are stuck in a snowstorm, and I will show you guys that in a minute. So I'm gonna quickly clean up this mess before I put all of the food away, and I have to do it super quick because there is stuff melting on the table, and I do need to clean out the freezer first so I can stick all that stuff in there. But I'm going to pick up this mess first. If you guys know any kind of container that I can put my rice in, I really need my rice in a container, and yeah. Freezer next. I just never know how to film here because it's so dark. I'm gonna try to get a light up in here today. For the moment, I'm going to just fix it up, and then I'm gonna organize it and clean it later on.
Nobody else, got myself, and nobody else, and that from you, and nobody else, got myself, and nobody else, and that from you.
So I'm just gonna put the waffles in here. So I just put all of the new foods up here so he can see it. And then these are all the chicken, like all the meats. Right here I have all of the salty prepackaged lunch foods, and then over here all the fruits and vegetables.
My baby, I like you. My baby, I die for you. See you, you know, I see you. My baby, you know.
So we're done with her. Now we gotta take care of the fridge and this floor. Yeesh. If you don't think the process of cleaning is gonna make more messes, you're highly mistaken. This happens a lot. So I'm gonna quickly clean it up, even though you just see me clean it up a few minutes ago. I guess I turned the camera off, but I did clean it up pretty quickly. Now I'm going to start working on this fridge. I think I'm gonna switch out this light for the moment because the yellow is not working for me. Hold on.
Ooh, promise.
Such a difference now. It looks so good in there. So the first thing I want to do is clear out the entire fridge. It literally makes such a difference to change out the yellow lighting to the daylight lighting. I don't know if I'm going to keep it in here, but it looks so much better. I'm just going to clear everything out and wipe all of the condiments down and get rid of anything that is old.
Oh Lord, the Fatuma the Jembele, oh. I pray to the Lord, I write to the Lord, gonna greet the Lord. I pray to the Lord, Fatuma the Jembele, everything being safe again now, everything for your Jembele, oh yeah. You are not a friend of me, no. Baby, you mean more to me, more to me. You are not a friend of me, no. Baby, you mean more to me, more to me. Keep us safe, baby, you're keeping us safe. I see you. You are not a friend of me, no. Baby, you mean more to me, more to me. You are not a friend of me, no. Baby, you mean more to me, more to me. You are not a friend of me, no. Baby, you mean more to me, more to me. You are not a friend of me, no. Baby, you mean more to me, more to me.
like an inconvenient place to do it, but I did put all the condiments on the third shelf because all the condiments don't fit on the door. So what ends up happening is the condiments just sporadically spread around. So I just kind of organize them by color just so it can be a little bit more satisfying. I know it looks like a hot mess, but it's fine. These are all of our condiments, from hot sauces, barbecue sauce, you name it, we have it. Clearly. So what I'm gonna do for the door is put as many drinks as I can on the door.
Cause it has been too long since I got any sleep. Yeah, it's been a while since I've gotten some time just for me. Yeah, I need some time. I think I just wanna feel like home, but these days I just feel long gone, and I don't know how to make it right. I've been trying to fake it. I have said
So that's everything I'm gonna put in the fridge.
I think you should let me go, cause I need some time. Cause it has been too long since I got any sleep. Yeah, it's been a while since I've gotten some time just for me. Yeah, I need some time. I need some time.
So I am gonna be cleaning out my pantry. I did get this pantry at Lowe's and I added it to the apartment. This is what it's currently looking like. It's been staying pretty organized with the Dollar Tree bins that I had purchased that look like this. So it's not too bad. We just need to figure out where we're putting our new items. So I'm going to quickly just organize and clean it up.
Since I've gotten some time just for me.
So everything right here on the ground is getting tossed because it's all expired. And then I'm going to quickly wipe everything down because you couldn't see it.
I need some time. I need some time. I need some time. I need some time.
How did we end up here in the corner looking like enemies? We used to be the team people talk about, what a chemistry. I can see it in your eyes. You don't wanna talk anymore. I wanna get so numb, while we enemies. No, you don't mind the way I stutter my words. You know exactly what it means and how it hurts. Oh, I can't believe you're here. Can't get any worse. No. I just wanna get out of here. I find it so hard to breathe. Cause when you get too close, I lose my way and I freeze. I wish you knew what power you have over me, but now it's so hard to breathe. Just get me out of here.
Okay, so this bottom shelf is nice and organized. I just put all of the chips back there and then all of his sweet stuff in here. And these are some older snacks, some chips, graham crackers, macaroni, popcorn. Right over there we have the baking stuff, oatmeal, some nutritional powders. Okay, so right here I'm just gonna go through the cereals because these are pretty old. This is some trail mix, so I'm gonna put it down here with the snacks.
No, you don't mind the way I stutter my words. You know exactly what it means and how it hurts. Oh, I can't believe you're here. Can't get any worse. No.
So all of the cereals were old.
I find it so hard to breathe. Cause when you get too close, I lose my way and I freeze. I wish you knew.
So I have no more space down there for the snacks. So I'm just gonna put the rest of my snacks in this bin right here with the cereal.
Hey.
Able to organize the pantry. It is not perfect at any means, but it is organized and it's nice and tidy, and that's how I like things around here. So I'm going to put the Tide Oxy Clean and my cleaners under my bed because there's no other place to store it. And I'm gonna put the tissue in the bathroom.
Out of here. I can't believe you're here. Can't get any words, no. You and I, we never show emotions, we just keep it down, down inside. Yeah, you and I, both longing for expression for the things we like, but we stay quiet. Hold me now, tell me things, tell me all about how you feel. Just let yourself go. Say it loud, wake the world on the other side, make it real. Just let yourself go, just let go. Ooh, just let go.
I'm gonna quickly do all of these dishes off camera. I don't know. I'm just gonna do them. I'll show you when I'm done. Okay, all of the dishes are nice and clean. The next thing I wanna quickly do off camera is just organize this quick, in 2 minutes. I'll show you what it looks like after I'm done. So I finished cleaning this cabinet, nothing spectacular. I just fixed everything up, didn't even wipe anything down, so I'll probably do that in the next video. I'm gonna also quickly go through this little section right here. There's a bunch of miscellaneous stuff, so I'm just gonna go through it really quickly and show you what it looks like after. So this is what this little corner looks like. I just quickly cleaned it up, swept it up, nothing too shabby. I just wanted it to look a little bit more presentable, and I'm okay with this for the moment. I'm gonna also quickly clean this utensil drawer for you guys, and I will show you what it looks like after. I know, I'm so sorry I am not showing you guys what I'm doing. I'm really just in a rush. It's a snow day. It's already 1:30. I've been doing this since 7 o'clock. I just want to get it done, and I still have my bathroom left in Andreas's room. I still have to make the cats food, and still have to feed Stu and clean out his area, shower my son, shower myself, make us something to eat for dinner. Still a lot of time, and I want to just be in peace, so I'm quickly doing this. Sorry that I've been rambling, but I will show you what it looks like. Okay, so this is what the drawer came out looking like. I'll tell you how I organize it. There's spoons, forks, serving spoons, knives and butter knives, some silver serving spoons, some kitchen tools, straws. We have chopsticks and skewers, lids, and back here that you can't probably see, we have some extra forks, and we have some little broth spoons. So that's what the drawer's looking like. Okay, so I'm going outside. It is a blizzard today. I'm gonna go and shovel out these stairs, salt the stairs. I'm gonna warm up the car, clean off the car, clean up the walkway. I think it's gonna take like 2 hours, hopefully not. Dang. That is the next thing I'm gonna be doing. Jay, where are you? It's gonna be so cold out there. Andreas, you ready?
Yeah, I'm good.
Andreas is ready.
Oh.
It's a blizzard. Can I put my coat on with my gloves on? We're so cozy. You feel like bears.
Bears? Well,
Right?
bears are destructible. I'm a bear walking in the forest.
I have some chicken cooking on low in here. So when we get back, it's done, and then I can make some rice and some beans. Huh?
Imagine the door was the whole thing. I was like, I just saw that.
Okay, so just right. So I'm outside and I came to shovel, and look, I didn't have to shovel anything. I know there's a shovel there. I did have to shovel myself out of this door right here, but my car is already shoveled. The way the snow fell, my car can get out perfectly for about 100 feet.
You and your dirty mouth. I don't know how everything went south. We're just so different now. I wanna go high, just wanna go high, but you keep pulling me. I don't got time to be thinking about things we can't figure out. Maybe I'm better off, better without you and your dirty mouth. I don't know how everything went south. We're just so different now. I wanna go high, just wanna go high, but you keep pulling me down. I've been tracking time since the day that we parted, hoping that you got all the things that you wanted. I know time flies, you moved on, yeah, I got it.
I am gonna put my Christmas stuff away. I'm just gonna pick up really quick because I do have a ton of laundry I need to fold. So this is the bin. It's not organized. I'm just putting some stuff in here for the moment. So my Christmas tree is gonna come down in this video. Cross your fingers. I have so much to do, guys. So
Please start now. Can we please start now? I guess you never think about things like I do.
I'm gonna quickly make my bed and put up my closet curtain up because it's just bothering me. I'm gonna also sweep up and fix up the bins underneath there. I have to empty out this bag and figure out what's up in this bin to put the things away there. And over here on my dresser, I just have a few little things that I need to put away and take care of. I'm gonna also sweep.
Somehow, I don't know if I'm lies, but can we at least talk now? Can we at least talk now? Can we at least talk? Can we at least talk now?
hundreds and hundreds of thank yous. Thank you so very much for staying this long into the video. You are greatly appreciated. If it wasn't for you guys coming to stay tuned every time I post a video, I probably wouldn't be making these videos at the moment. This is the last stride. I will be folding clothes for the last portion of this video. So if you love motivational cleaning videos, don't forget to give me a like. And if you don't like motivational videos, cleaning videos, you can leave me a thumbs down too. It's whatever you like. I'm okay with it. Alright, if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, it is absolutely free to do so. So hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!
gonna start over again. Too much went down between you and me, and I'm feeling pretty good right now. So I think I'm gonna let that go. All the things that we had, I remember what you said. Just a one-time thing, it won't happen no more. Didn't I say you did the wrong thing? Did it for the wrong reasons. Kept on going, wrong direction. Went in too deep at first. Take what you need, tryna guess what happens after this. I'm moving out, find a place where I can breathe. Yeah, you show it all, don't want anything to do with you. This is my win, I don't even care no more, care no more. Yeah. How did we end up at this place? So much of us going to waste. I wish it didn't have to be like that. Please wake me up. Oh, I know that you care, but does it really matter? Feeling inside out, not sure where to go. Didn't I say you did the wrong thing? Did it for the wrong reasons. Kept on going, wrong direction. Went in too deep at first. Take what you need, tryna guess what happens after this. I'm moving out, find a place where I can breathe. Yeah, you show it all, don't want anything to do with you. This is my win, I don't even care no more, care no more. Lost for you, win for me. Lost for you, win for me.
I was able to fold up all the clothes. This is what everything is looking like. So right over here is all the clothes that I need to hang up. Those are my clothes. These are all of Andreas's clothes. His undies, his shirts, his shorts, his pajamas, his sweatpants, his school clothes. Right here, I just have my gym stuff. These two piles right here are things that I need to hang up for Andreas. Right over here, I have some linens. And then these two piles are my sweatpants. I have undies, bras, all of my workout stuff. And this little pile is George's.
So